Hello.
Hi.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and today I'm going to be doing my little cousin Vincent's makeup. So yeah. I bumped.
I farted.
Okay. I don't need these. This I don't believe.
Stop. Don't touch me there.
This is actually a really pretty palette. Look at this.
Yeah, whatever.
You don't care.
Cause I don't know nothing about makeup.
Eyeshadows.
A crayon box.
Box of crayons. At this moment.
Don't touch me there. This my nose.
And you can read. You have to scoot up, dude. More foundation because I don't know which one's gonna be your shade. Because you are darker than me, I think, because you know you've been out in the summer and I didn't do shiznit this summer.
My butt is white. Everything else is tan. My butt is just straight white.
Shade.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Let's get this over with.
I'm gonna start and do his eyebrows.
Wait,
I lost my makeup
Are
cup.
these my eyebrows? Oh yeah. Oh, I thought these were for a second.
See your eyelashes, dummy.
Stop.
Shut up!
It's stuck in my head.
Where'd you get it from?
TikTok.
I'm wearing no makeup today, so yeah. Ooh, smooth the eyebrows out. Oh.
Here you go.
Turn the brightness up, I can turn it down. Put your hair up, and I'll put my hair up.
Oh, dang it. You're gonna have to do it for me. I'm not good at this.
Just put it up. It just needs to be your front hairs.
I can't.
You don't know how to twist it?
No.
Oh.
I'm struggling.
Your hair is short.
I know it is. I'm trying to grow it out so I can do a different hairstyle.
It's gonna be a James Charles Jr.
I'm not gay. I'm saying that now.
They know you're not gay. I mean, let's call you Antonio.
Oh, no.
It's raining. I look glowy. I have to try to make eyebrows are good enough, I think. Sorry, I'm like you have to tip your head a certain way.
This is so boring.
Look at me. No, put your eyebrows down. Stop messing with your eyebrows. Leave them alone. Can you stop being so stupid? I'm gonna try not to hit you because you're making me mad. I'm done with his eyebrows. Now, I'm going to do your eyeshadow. Shadow.
Come on, hurry up.
Why?
Because I want to put this over with. Whoa.
What?
See the color now? Mm-mm.
You don't like it? This is so much harder to do it on the side. Close your eye. Your eyes are done. At least the top part of your eyes are done.
Is that done? Is that all?
No. You have the foundation and stuff.
Oh.
You signed up for it. That's your fault. It's his fault. Back it up for me.
Oh, God dang it.
Stop backing up.
I look white.
Come on, Vincent. Cool your beans. Up there. You don't want this to take forever, but then he's on his phone. Bro, you got concealer under your eyeballs right now.
He's right there. Ah.
I didn't even get you in the eye. You're freaking gross.
Oh no, Jesus, help me.
You don't want to eat it. Boy. He tries. He fails. Oh, Vincent, you moved and I messed up.
Ah. Oh, Keith.
That's not Keith, dude.
I'm sorry.
Well, beat-
I had
beat
an itch.
Okay, we got that done. So, I'm doing his eyelashes now. On there. Hopefully it just stays because the glue.
Yeah, it feels so weird.
Yeah, it's like that sometimes.
It feels so weird.
Ooh. Caterpillars. Okay, now we're gonna do blush. And then let's go in with the highlighter. Do you want a pink or gold highlighter? Gold. Vincent.
Jasmine.
Stop talking.
This is America. I have the right to talk.
But I'm gonna have to beat you though.
Okay, but I still have the right.
Okay, but you still can get hurt. Get in the freaking
Nah.
camera before I beat you.
I'm not
Guys, look at the highlighter.
as perky.
That's wet. Wow, $5.
Okay,
Golden flower crown. Okay, now I gotta do his lipstick. Don't give him a nude.
Never let your cousin do your makeup. Done. Let's go. End the video.
This is the finished product. Finished his makeup. Did the cute little purple thingy on his eyes right here. You see? I never even told you guys his name, I don't think. This is Vincent. I'm going to link his Instagram and his YouTube channel in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. Also, click that bell to be notified every time I post a video. What else?
Is that all?
I think that's it. Love you guys. Bye.
Look at me.